Activation is a process of activating a license that allows you to use a fully functional version of the application for a certain period of time. If you have any Kaspersky Lab product installed on your computer, review the Kaspersky Antivirus 2014 migration policy. You can activate a commercial or a trial license for Kaspersky Antivirus 2014 either during the installation or after it. Before you activate the application, make sure that your computer is connected to the Internet and its system date is set correctly. To activate a commercial license after the installation, in the main window of Kaspersky Antivirus, click the licensing link if the trial license has been already activated, or the Enter Activation Code link if the application has not been activated yet. In the licensing window, click the Activate Application button. Please note that at this step, you can purchase a commercial license by clicking the Purchase Activation Code link. This will open the Kaspersky Lab website where you can buy a license and get the activation code. Enter the 20-digit activation code into the corresponding field and click the Activate button. The activation code should be entered from the keyboard in Latin characters only. If the activation code has been entered incorrectly, the Activate button will remain unavailable and the incorrect activation code message will appear. Once the activation is finished, the Activation Completed Successfully message will appear. Click the Finish button to close the application activation window. The licensing window will display the information about your license, term of validity, activation date, and the license type.